So beta, now we are going to start illustration number 36. Following are the balance sheet of X Limited for 2 years. Prepare cash flow statement. Complete cash flow statement we have to prepare with three major heads: cash flow from operating activities, cash flow from investing activities, and cash flow from financing activities. Beta, three things are given to you. First is balance sheet, second is notes to accounts, and third is additional information. So first of all, keep in mind the additional information, and it is given proposed dividend of 2 years. Proposed dividend of 2 years. So according to new policy of the Companies Act, what we have to do? We have to take the proposed dividend of previous year, not for the current year, because current year's proposed dividend is just an estimate and it does not affect the cash inflow and outflow. It does not affect the cash inflow and outflow. We just have to consider about the previous year's proposed dividend. Previous year proposed dividend, and that is rupees 20,000. So what we will do, bache? Proposed dividend will be given this year, dividend paid 20,000 out of financing activities. Whatever we have proposed previous year, that must have been given. We have given the proposed dividend of 2017 previous year, and this is the proposed dividend which will be added in the working note. If you will make the first working note, bache, in net profit of the year, you have to add the proposed dividend. Proposed dividend, and that will be added 20,000. One time it will come in the working note, and second time it will be deducted from the financing activity, because this is an adjustment and it will be recorded at two places. Second is, bache, loan was repaid on 1st April 2017. Means on the starting of the year we have paid the interest. We have paid the loan. So no interest will be charged on loan. Got my point, bache? Loan we have repaid on the very first day of the session. So no interest will be paid on the loan. Now your adjustments are over. Have a look on notes now. Notes are given to you. First is, bache, long-term borrowings 15% loan, 75 to 0. That means repayment of loan. Repayment of loan. You have repaid the loan, cash outflow 75,000, and on the very first day of the session, so no interest will be charged. Second, bache, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is also a financing activity, and it is also reducing 37 to 25. Repayment of overdraft. Repayment of bank overdraft 37 to 25. 12,000 decrease is there. So 12,000 decreases there. Next, third, bache. At third, now you have been given plant and machinery, value of plant and machine, and the value of depreciation. Plant and machine is given to you 350 and 4 lakh. So it indicates what it indicates: purchase of asset. It is purchase of fixed asset. Purchase of fixed asset 50,000. 350 to 4 lakh. 50,000 is the purchase of asset. Then, bache, depreciation is given to you 50 to 60. That means 10,000 is the amount of depreciation. Depreciation will be added 10,000. If we are not making account and we are taking from the notes, so no account will be prepared, and only just we have to take the difference of the value of fixed assets and difference in the value of depreciation. Nothing more to do. Now notes we have done, additional information beta we have done. Now do the balance sheet. Have a look on the balance sheet first. Share capital 2 lakh to 3 lakh. This is issue of shares. issue of shares 1 lakh rupees. 2 lakh to 3 lakh means 1 lakh rupees is the issue of shares. Then bache reserve and surplus. This is your net profit of the year. 50,000 is the net profit of the year. You have to take this here in the working notes. Okay, net profit we have taken. So long term borrowings we have done from note number 1. Short term borrowings we have done from note number 2. Now trade payables are showing an increase of 54,000. 96 to 150, 54,000 is the increase. So add increase in trade payables 54,000. Then bache short term provision for tax is given to you. Now regarding provision for tax bache, if only two values are given and no additional information is given, no account will be prepared. Otherwise we have to prepare a provision for tax account. But in this case we are not going to make the provision for tax account because no additional information is given to you. Right, bache? We have to use both the values of provision for tax. This is the only item whose both values will be used in cash flow statement. Otherwise, bache, in the whole chapter we are taking the differences. But the only thing is provision for tax. We have to use both the values of provision for tax. One time it will be tax paid and once it will be added as provision for tax. Provision for tax. Beta, current year's provision is our current year's non-expense, non-operating expense, so we will add it back. And current year's amount was 15,000. It will be added back. And whatever we have kept as last year's provision, it will be paid. It will be assumed as paid. So this is the only thing in which we have to use both the values. Provision for tax bache, previous year will be paid off and current year we have to add in the working note. Now have a look on the asset side. Fixed assets we have done from note number 3. Now have a look on current assets. Short-term investments, it will be included in cash equivalent. Inventories are showing an increase of 30,000 minus increase in inventory. Inventory is showing an increase of 30,000 bache. And then trade receivables are also showing an increase of 32,000 minus increase in trade receivable 32,000. So this was your question. Now just have a look on the working note first. 50 plus 20, 70 plus 15, 85,000 is your net profit before tax. Here you will take net profit before tax. 85,000 bache. So no additional information is there. Only one depreciation. So this is operating profit before working capital changes. 95,000. Now we have to record these changes and answer will record outside and the answer is 75,000. Now cash used in investing activity because answer is in minus 50,000. It will be recorded outside minus 50,000. Here 1 lakh minus 75 minus 20 minus 12. So answer will be in minus 7,000. Cash used in financing activities. And this was cash flow from operating activities. Okay. So now we have to check the answer. कि whether it is correct or not. 75 plus 50, 75 minus 50 minus 7, the difference will be 18,000. A plus B plus C, we have done 75 minus 50 minus 7,000, it is 18,000. Now just we have to see the cash and cash equivalents. So current investments are given and cash at bank is also given. Current investments 30,000, cash and bank 13,000. So 43,000 is the closing balance of 2018. Now opening balance 20,000 and 5,000. 25,000. Opening balance is 25,000. We have to add A plus B plus C and then it should be the closing balance. Answer is already with us. So net increase in cash and cash equivalent was 18,000. We have to add the opening cash and cash equivalent. It was 25,000. Now see what is the total, and it is the closing cash and cash equivalent. If we will add 25 in 18, the answer should be 43 and it is correct. Any doubt, bache? One more thing I want to explain which will be used in next question. You have to make a provision for tax account. Provision for tax account. Now what is provision for tax account and why we have to make it? Beta, if two balances are given, not required. If only two balances are given to you in the question, the preparation of this account is not required at all because we have to use both the values. But if additional information is given to you, then you have to make the account. And only here we have to write two things. To bank account, tax paid during the year, and by provision for tax made during the year. If suppose 20,000 was the balance in the beginning and 30,000 at the end, and one additional information is given to you that you have made the provision 25,000. So total of this side should be 45, and from 45 if we will deduct 30, tax paid will be 15. If tax paid is given, then we will add these two items and subtract this one, we will get the provision made. This provision will be added in operating in working note, and this we have to subtract from operating as tax paid at the end. Clear, bache? Then these two items, these two figures will not be used. If we are making the account, then these two amounts will be used only, and balance BTCD will not be used. But if no information is given, then we have to use both the balances. This will be subtracted as tax paid and this will be added in the working note. Any doubt, bache?